Jealousy, 15th day of Lent. Brothers of Joseph saw him from a distance, and before he came near to them, they conspired to kill him. Genesis 37:18. Genesis 37:26 to 28. Then Judah said to his brothers, "What profit is it if we kill our brother and conceal his blood? Come, let us sell him to the Ishmalites and not lay our hands on him, for he is our brother, our own flesh." They sold him to Ishmalites for 20 pieces of silver, and they took Joseph to Egypt. In Matthew 21:33 to 46, Jesus tells the parable of the wicked tenants. Matthew 21:37 to 39. Finally, he, the landowner, sent his son to them, saying, "They will respect my son." But when the tenants saw the son, they said to themselves, "This is the heir. Come, let us kill him and get his inheritance." So they seized him, threw him out of the vineyard, and killed him. In Matthew 21:43, Jesus tells, "Therefore, I tell you, the kingdom of God will be taken away from you and given to people that produce the fruit of the kingdom. So, bear the fruits of patience and generosity instead of jealousy." Thank you.